Hi, I'm Asher Latta, the author of this book, Don't Wait for the Tooth Fairy, How to Communicate Effectively and Create the Perfect Patient Journey in Your Dental Practice. And what I want to talk about in this video is the 6 major advantages of asking questions in a consultation. In previous videos, I talked about some of the common communication mistakes made by dentists, and one in particular, which is the biggest mistake I find dentists make, which is providing solutions to patients without truly fully understanding what patients' wants and needs are. A great phrase I often give on my courses is prescription before diagnosis is malpractice. So there's many advantages of asking questions, but here's a quick 6 that I'm going to give with you. And number 1 is this: if you ask good, high quality questions to your patients in a consultation, you will create more opportunities. When I follow up dentists who have taken my 2-day ethical sales and communication course and just speak to them either at a network, events, a conference or on the telephone, often they will tell me that they've created more work by asking lots of questions, and this also is with existing patients as well. I often hear dentists who tell me that by asking lots of questions to their patients, the patients have opened up and told them about treatment that they would like to have done. And when the dentist has asked the patient and said, "How come you never told me this before?" often the patient will turn around and say, "Well, you never asked," or "I didn't know it could be done." So the number 1 advantage is you'll create more opportunity. Number 2 is this: you will find out exactly the needs and, most importantly, the wants of your patient, the things that are most important to them in the solution. Number 3, what that means is you can tailor your solution to exactly what the patient's wants and needs are. In a consultation, often a patient might tell you things that they'd like to have done, but what's important in the solution. And that way, it should save you time when you are providing solutions to the patients. And you should be able to give the solution to exactly what the patient's wants and needs are. Now, I know you have to give them all the options, and I know that's what you have to do, but hopefully this should help you tailor and give exactly what the patient's looking for. The 4th main advantage is this: is that you are continually still building rapport, because you are becoming genuinely interested in your patient and they're doing all the talking. The more the patient talks, the more you will learn and the better rapport you're going to have. Number 5, you also uncover some emotional reasons, particularly if the patient wants some cosmetic treatment, on why they want it and also why it's important to them at that part of their lives. And number 6, you will definitely, most importantly, stand out from the crowd, because the biggest, like I said before, the biggest communication mistake is providing solutions without truly fully understanding what the patient's wants and needs are. So if you're asking lots of questions, you will truly stand out from the crowd. So I urge you, every single consultation from now on, ask lots of questions, become genuinely interested, and you will find that your patients become genuinely interested in what you've got to offer. The more open questions you ask, the more the patient talks. If you keep asking lots of closed questions, then you're only going to get yes or no answers. So in your consultations, although you do need often a yes or no answer, try and keep as many of the questions as possible to open questions.